Are you ready to boost your chest muscles without fancy gym gear? Great! This video is all about simple exercises you can do at home to get a bigger chest. No need for expensive equipment or gym memberships. We'll show you 5 easy moves that'll help you sculpt your chest muscles and feel more confident. But before we get started, let's quickly talk about the chest muscles. They're called the pectoralis major, and understanding them will make your workouts more effective. So, get ready to learn and get stronger as we explore body weight exercises for your chest. Starting with number 1. Push-ups. Push-ups are a fundamental bodyweight exercise that effectively target the chest, shoulders, and triceps. To perform a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows while keeping them close to your body. Once your chest nearly touches the ground, push through your palms to extend your arms and return to the starting position. Focus on maintaining proper form and engaging your chest muscles throughout the movement. Variations such as wide grip, narrow grip, and decline push-ups can be incorporated to target different areas of the chest. Number 2. Dips. A challenging bodyweight exercise that primarily targets the lower chest, triceps, and shoulders. To perform dips, find 2 stable surfaces such as parallel bars or sturdy chairs. Grip the bars or edges of the chairs with your hands shoulder-width apart and lift yourself up so that your arms are fully extended. Lower your body by bending your elbows until your upper arms are parallel to the ground or slightly below. Then push through your palms to extend your arms and return to the starting position. Focus on keeping your chest lifted and your shoulders down throughout the movement to maximize chest activation. Number 3. Archer push-ups. Archer push-ups are an advanced variation of the traditional push-up that requires significant chest engagement. To perform archer push-ups, start in a standard push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Shift most of your body weight to one side while keeping the other arm extended and slightly bent. Lower your body towards the extended arm by bending the opposite elbow, allowing the chest muscles on the working side to stretch. Push through the palm of the working arm to return to the starting position, then repeat on the opposite side. Focus on maintaining stability and control throughout the movement and gradually increase the range of motion as you build strength. Number 4. Plyometric push-ups. This push-up, also known as explosive push-ups, are dynamic movements that develop power and explosiveness in the chest muscles. To perform plyometric push-ups, start in a standard push-up position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart. Lower your body towards the ground as you would in a regular push-up, but instead of pushing back up slowly, explosively push off the ground with enough force to lift your hands off the ground. Land softly with bent elbows to absorb the impact, then immediately lower yourself back into the next repetition. Focus on generating maximum force with each explosive push-off while maintaining control and stability. Number 5. Diamond push-ups. It is also known as triangle push-ups, and these are an excellent exercise for targeting the inner chest and triceps. To perform diamond push-ups, start in a standard push-up position with your hands close together, forming a diamond shape with your index fingers and thumbs. Keep your elbows tucked close to your body as you lower your chest towards the ground, maintaining a straight line from head to heels. Push through the palms of your hands to extend your arms and return to the starting position. Focus on keeping your core engaged and your body stable throughout the movement, and adjust the width of your hands as needed to find the optimal level of challenge for your chest muscles. In this beginner-friendly chest routine, we focus on building strength and size using only bodyweight exercises. You'll start with 3 sets of push-ups to target the chest, shoulders, and triceps, aiming for 10 to 12 reps per set. After each set of push-ups, take a 60-second rest break before moving on to the next exercise. Following push-ups, you'll move on to dips, engaging the lower chest, triceps, and shoulders with 8-10 reps per set, again followed by a 60-second rest period. Archer push-ups come next, challenging chest stability and strength with 8 to 10 reps on each side, followed by another 60-second rest break. Then you'll incorporate plyometric push-ups to enhance power and explosiveness, performing 6 to 8 reps per set with another 60-second rest period between sets. Finally, diamond push-ups complete the routine, targeting the inner chest and triceps with 10 to 12 reps per set, followed by a final 60-second rest break. rest for 60 seconds between sets, and aim to complete the routine 3 times a week on non-consecutive days for optimal results. As you progress, adjust the sets, reps, and intensity to suit your fitness level and goals, ensuring proper form and consistency throughout. Building a bigger chest without equipment is not only achievable but also convenient and cost-effective. By incorporating a variety of bodyweight exercises that target different areas of the chest, along with proper nutrition, rest, and progressive overload, you can sculpt impressive pecs and achieve your fitness goals without ever stepping foot in a gym. Remember to stay consistent, listen to your body, and enjoy the journey of transforming your physique naturally. That's all for today. Don't forget to check our other videos and playlists for more insightful content as well. See you soon!